You certainly have heard about turmeric, right? If you still don't know its benefits, watch the video being suggested on this card to learn more about this powerful root. Turmeric is a famous seasoning, thanks to its orange color that makes any dish look and taste better. Turmeric gets its characteristic color from curcumin, a compound that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Just so you have an idea of how powerful curcumin is, it regulates the inflammatory disorders in tissues, destroys harmful pathogens, and creates a protective barrier against infectious agents. Curcumin can lower cholesterol levels, alleviate stomach aches, and prevent hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, and thyroid cancer. It also increases brain activity and improves constipation. Today, there are more than 2,000 published studies about the benefits of this plant on cancer treatment and prevention. Most recipes use it as a powder, but did you know that many times the turmeric powder you use is fake? To avoid this, let's learn how to make our own turmeric powder at home. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. You will need 7 ounces of turmeric root. You can buy the root at markets and even in some supermarkets, although it is a little harder to find it in the latter. Rinse and dice the turmeric roots. After that, put them in a blender or food processor and grind them. After everything is ground, put the turmeric in a stainless steel baking tray. If you don't have a stainless steel one, line your tray with aluminum foil. Set your oven, either gas or electric, to the lowest temperature and put your baking tray there for 30 minutes. Leave the oven door ajar. If you close it completely, the temperature will rise. Use a wooden spoon to keep it open. After 30 minutes, remove the ground turmeric from the oven and check if it is all dried up. If it is, remove it from the oven. If it is still a little humid, take it back for 30 more minutes. Repeat this process for 2 hours at most. Once your ground turmeric is dehydrated, take it to a grain mill or blender. Pass all the dehydrated turmeric through the mill or blender, and after turning it off, you will have turmeric powder. With this recipe, you will save a lot of money and avoid buying fake turmeric powder. Amazingly easy to do, isn't it? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.